In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Smartsheet ID. This can be quite handy when you're looking to integrate Smartsheet with other applications or run automated processes. Let's dive into a simple method directly from the Smartsheet user interface. First, you'll want to open the target sheet from which you need to find the sheet ID. Make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and have navigated to the correct workspace or folder where your sheet resides. Once you've located your sheet, go ahead and click on it to open. At this point, you're looking at the main interface of your Smartsheet, filled with rows, columns, and possibly various data you've gathered. With your sheet open, let's move on to finding that sheet ID. Look to the top of your Smartsheet interface, and you'll notice a menu bar with several options. What you're going to do is navigate to the option labeled File. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, there may be numerous options for different actions you can take. The one you need to focus on right now is called Properties. Alternatively, you might find a quicker way via the Sheet Actions menu, which is typically represented by an icon with 3 dots or lines. Clicking here will also provide you with a list of actions, one of which should be Properties. Choose this option, and it will open a Properties dialog for the sheet. Now, pay close attention to the dialog box that appears on your screen. It consists of various details about your sheet, but the key piece of information to locate is your sheet ID. This ID is a unique identifier for your sheet within Smartsheet, and it's essential for various API calls or setting up automations with other software services. Once you've found the sheet ID listed in the Properties dialog, you'll want to take note of it. It's a good idea to copy the ID directly to ensure there are no errors, especially if you're planning to paste it into a code or configuration file. To copy it, simply select the ID with your cursor and use your keyboard shortcuts or right-click options to copy it to your clipboard. That's it. You've successfully located and copied your Smartsheet sheet ID. With this ID, you're now ready to proceed with whatever technical task or integration you have planned next. Whether you're linking your sheet data to another application or streamlining your workflow with sophisticated automations, having this ID on hand is crucial. Thanks for following along in this brief tutorial. We hope you found the process straightforward and easy to implement. Be sure to keep your sheet ID secure and use it responsibly within your projects. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one in the future.